Welcome all. Myself, Professor Vikram Singh Bias, SPM Polytechnic, Kumte Mechanical Department. Today we are going to discuss ultrasonic machining, that is USM. Ultrasonic machining is a non-conventional machining process in which the abrasive hits on the workpiece to remove the material. This method of machining resorts the precaution of hammering of abrasive against the workpiece with the tool. Now we see the principal parts of that particular machine: power supply, velocity transformer, tool, abrasive slurry, electromechanical transducer, abrasive gun, and workpiece. Now we'll see one by one. Power supply. It is also called a high frequency generator or electronic oscillator. The main function is to convert normal electrical supply that has frequency range, that is 50 to 60 Hz, to high frequency electric supply up to a range of 20 to 40 kilohertz, but the amplitude of the vibration will be a small up to a range of microns. Velocity transformer. It is also called the design of the horn. The function of the horn is to amplify and focus the vibration of the transducer to an adequate intensity for driving the tool to fulfill the cutting operation. They are made of hard, non-magnetic and easily machinable steel having good fatigue strength like K-Monel, metal, bronze and mild steel. Tool. Hammering is done by a body that is known as the tool, and the tool material has been sufficiently ductile so that itself does not undergo brittle fracture. Abrasive slurry. Abrasives need to be applied at the site of machining and need to be removed together with a machined material from workpiece and tool material. So they are carried in a slurry to and from the site of machining. The tool is pressed against the workpiece to create a slight pressure, low enough so as not to crush abrasive and high enough so as to ensure the fracturing of the workplace. Abrasive have higher fracture strength than that of the workpiece. First of all, abrasive have to be supplied. Electromechanical transducer. The transducer converts electrical energy into mechanical vibration. The high frequency electrical signal is transmitted to the transducer, which converts it into a high frequency and having low amplitude vibration. There are two types of transducer, that is piezoelectric and magnetoresistive transducer. Abrasive gun. Abrasive are applied at the machining site by being carried in a water medium generally, and it is called as a slurry. Let put volume per volume, say 20 parts of abrasive in 100 parts of water, and let it be applied by a nozzle or by a abrasive gun. That means by a jet of machining site, so that all the time the machine site is receiving fresh abrasive under a definite pressure and the debris of machining. That means remove material, broken abrasive, all these things are removed by that jet of water and abrasive only. Workpiece. Brittle non-conductive materials like engineering ceramics are machined by ultrasonic machining process. It does not thermally damage the workpiece and does not introduce residual stress on the workpiece. 3D shapes can be intricate from the process on the workpiece. Working principle of ultrasonic machining. Working of ultrasonic machining is the gap between tool and workpiece is 0.25 millimeter. The tool is made up of ductile material between tool and workpiece. There is a slurry of abrasive. Abrasive gets embedded into the tool, and during the downward journey of the tool, abrasive hammer the workpiece, removing material. This material will be flushed away from the machining area by the flow of the slurry. Tool is made slightly tapered to produce straight hose. Upon increasing the viscosity of the carrier fluid, material removal rate decreases due to difficulty in flushing. By increasing the frequency, material removal rate will increase because the number of impacts per unit time will increase. By increasing the amplitude, material removal rate will increase due to the increase in the momentum of the abrasive. The amplitude of the vibration may vary from 5 to 75 micrometer and frequency may vary from 19 to 25 kilohertz. By increasing the concentration of abrasive, the impact will be there at more number of places, which increases material removal rate. But when the concentration increases beyond a certain value due to collision between the abrasive momentum is lost, decreasing the material removal rate. By increasing the size of abrasive, an impact will appear in the large area. But when the size increases beyond a certain value, the momentum of the abrasive will decrease. धन्यवाद.